criminals are spraying some poisonous gas inside my house and that front portion. My mother actually put little this thing fire actually, and there is no smoke smell, nothing, no smell at all. And now this Somarajan put fire 2 places and started spraying to create dramas actually here and there, and started spraying some poisonous gas here actually, some poisonous gas, and made my filled my cavity with some poisonous filled my cavity and spraying some poisonous gas inside my house so that I will suffocate and I will I will suffocate and I will die actually. For that purpose these criminals are doing all these things. ബിജു എന്താ CPM ഗൂണ്ട സുബ്രഹ്മണ്യന് ഭയങ്കര രോഗം. whenever he goes I will call my mother, അമ്മേ I will call my mother, I have to call na, I will call and he will get hyper actually. He is having some problem. Why? Because he is acting and going, so his drama is getting flopped actually, so he is getting hyper actually, and he is he is using all filthy language about me and my mother. You should hear what this bastard is saying about my mother actually. I have recorded everything. This ഇവന് PhD മലയാളത്തിൽ PhD തെറിവാക്കിനകത്ത്. CPM ഗൂണ്ട നടക്കുക, ഇവൻ CPM ഗൂണ്ട തെറി വിളിക്കാനായിട്ട് ഇവനെ വെച്ചിരിക്കുക. ഇവനെ ഇങ്ങനെ തെറി വിളിക്കാനായിട്ട് വെച്ചിരിക്കുക CPM ഗൂണ്ടയായിട്ട്.